Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could duplicate a product in your store and give you a tip and trick that you can use if you are trying to add a ton of products to your store, how you could use this method to be able to do it quickly and efficiently. So here we are on my demo website. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to pages and then get into your store. If you don't have a store created, you'll just click the plus sign and then click on store. That's how you'll get started. But if you already have a store, you'll just click on that with a little shopping cart icon. And then once you're in here, it doesn't give you an option here to duplicate, but you can duplicate it. So go in and just click edit. Just click on the three little dots. Click edit, and then you want to find this editing view. This is the full page product editor. So you're editing one specific product on this page. Ton of resources in here. Talk about them in other videos. But this magical button right here, duplicate. So once you click that, you'll be able to then go in and make changes. Now the two things worth noting, maybe three, but two main things worth noting. It adds a bit of text here that says copy. Obviously, you don't want that. So just bear that in mind. So when you're making changes, that shows up there. It pulls the same description, images, pricing, structure, categories, organization, everything starts out hidden. And then in the edit, that's the only other thing you really got to consider. If I go to marketing edit, you're going to see it pulls from the URL, but then it adds this like nonsense at the end of it. So you just want to make sure you update that so it doesn't show up weird. Usually with Squarespace, it tries to like automatically create the URL as much as possible. But even if you change this and say like new Stanton recipe book or edition 2, it doesn't pick that up for the URL once you've duplicated it. So you always have to go in and it changes the text here, but it does not change the actual URL. So you'll have to come in here. Instead of it saying ed 1, it'll say ed 2. You'll be good to go. You can do the SEO work too, but again, it doesn't make any changes there. So I'll click apply and then we're good to go. From there, I'll hit save and this doesn't publish it. It just saves it on the back end. This will publish it or you could schedule it. I'll just hit publish. So it goes live now on the demo site. Now you'll see two products in here, ed 1 and then ed 2. Now, what's really valuable is, let's say you're adding 20 products to a store. What I recommend is creating a template of the base structure that you need and then copying it from there. Now, this is so valuable when you're really trying to do a lot with e-commerce, but let's just go in here and make the adjustments we want. So I'll go to the three dots and hit edit. Now, if I want to create a new product as the template, because I wouldn't want to use this as the template, and I'll show you why. But what I do is I then duplicate this one. And then in here, I would remove the name and put template just to keep it simple. If I have a description that's going to go for all of them, I could keep it, but I just get rid of it. You want to remove anything that you'd have to delete later after you duplicate it, especially for the images here. So I'll come in and then hit delete the featured image, and then delete this main image. And then the pricing, this is important and valuable. You'll probably have a similar structure for all of them. So this is like quantity infinite. I'll change that to, if I really do need a quantity number, I'll change it to the exact quantity. If I'm going to do a sale price for everything, I will want to add that in and have this structure already built out. Then there's variants, which I have other videos that talk about how to set up variants, but you want to do this right the first time, or in the biggest form for the first one, and then go from there. And then you have organization. So these are tags and categories. So you could definitely create tags. If this is like books, and then clothing, and then let's say accessories. Cool. All right, so we have these three tags created. I could have them all checked or just none of them. In this case, I'm going to do all three and hit done, because you'll see here, if I just click into it, it's really easy to just adjust it. You could start with 0, you could start with none. You could start with 0, you could start with all, whatever works best for you, and then hit save. You could do the same thing with tags. Here, you could turn on a few of these settings how you want them. So related products, do you want this on? You could set that up. Product reviews, you'll have to do that in another time, and then it's easy to set up. And then from here, anything you want to set up, if there's a custom button or a custom form you want to have set up, or a certain subscription, whatever that is, you save all of that. You just go through those details, hit save, not publish, just save, and it's hidden on the back end here. Then from there, you can come in here and then click edit, duplicate from here, and now it's way easier for you to start filling in, adding in products. You'll see it saves that you had it on sale, it saves the quantity, it saves the tag. There's so much that literally just duplicates immediately. And so you'll make it simple and easy for you to scale products by making one template, keeping it hidden, and then just copying it from there for every product you add. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.